If you ever wanted to hold an audience hostage using nothing but transitions and tech-fueled charisma, congratulations! PowerPoint is now a mind control device. Today we're looking at AI tools that make presentations so slick your coworkers won't know whether to take notes or join your cult. With a few clicks, you go from quarterly metrics to corporate messiah, and no one sees it coming, especially you. Start with something like Tome or Beautiful AI. It's presentation software that builds your story for you. You write one sentence and suddenly it's pulling royalty-free images, building layouts, and suggesting inspirational quotes from people who may or may not be real. You're not making a deck. You're channeling a higher PowerPoint consciousness. Boom. Need to sound confident? There's AI narration now. You upload slides and the voiceover makes it sound like you're Steve Jobs doing a TED Talk, even if your slides are just cat memes and vague synergy charts. At least when you mess up, people feel something. These bots, unshakable, cold, persuasive, it's horrifying. AI now helps you rehearse your pitch by simulating your audience's reaction. If it senses you're weak on slide 5, it'll suggest you use more active verbs, or just replace you entirely, because who needs nerves when you got metrics? By slide 12, your transitions are cinematic, your narrative arc is flawless, the AI tells you to pause for applause, and people do. You're not presenting, you're converting. They'll follow you anywhere, even through Q4 projections. So if you ever wanted to inspire, manipulate, confuse, now you can, with bullet points. These tools make your message unstoppable. Whether the message is buy in or drink the Kool-AI AI, it's entirely up to you. This has been Machine Said So. If anything made sense, that was a bug.